everybody and welcome to Mystery Monday. So today I'm gonna do the last one of the batch I had, and it is the World of Tudors. So it looks colorful, the pieces are looking good, and I can see a few different shapes. I have no idea if it's easy or not, and yes, I would say let's do the jigsaw, let's see what it is, and we'll talk about it later. Alright guys, here we are. I have a confession to make. I never watched the Tudors, and I honestly am not that into the history of the Tudors, so I am pretty sure on this jigsaw you will find a lot of things that you will recognize when you're in the story of the Tudors. But I really don't know, so I'm sure those guys are important, and she is important. Maybe she's... So it looks like, and that's just a guess, he is killing her. And then there's a funeral or something. So I really don't know. I'll show you everything. Here's a somebody burning. So it is a bit dark. I guess that's because the Tudor story is dark as well. So I really have to read into that one day. But I wanted to show it to you now. So here we have a feast or something. And a few greens. And that's the flower. So yeah, tell me if you're into the Tudors and recognized something. I'm pretty sure you did. Then let me know. And if you like what you saw, then you can hit the like button. That would be cool. And I hope we will see us next time. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.